Chapter 8 kan ti tur chu arithmetic line graph amo time series graph. Tuna kan ti mek hi ama a kha kan soi to ang khan frequency diagram nilaw arithmetic line diagram type of diagram ami apathum na khani chapter 8 kan zir tur chu time series graph kan soi thui to lo me anga a practical thung tun chuma hi chuan kan ti don ani. This time we are going to do how to practical work we are going to do it. So here I'm taking the question from page 136, question number 1. If you turn your textbook, page 136, question number 1. In the question, it is given, plot the annual profit of a farm on a time series graph. So in this, year profit is given. So here, year is given 2005 to 2010. And profit 1000 in rupees, it is given 60, 72, 75, 65, 80, and 95. So to do this time series graph, what are the important things that we need to do is there are two types of variable graph. One variable graph, we are going to do it. That means only one item is given. So how we are going to make a graph? So this graph we are making it is on the basis of o-axis and y-axis. So as we already know that one variable graph are those graphs in which value of only one variable are shown with respect to some time periods. It indicates time period on the x-axis and projection on the y-axis. So on the o-axis, this represents time period, and y-axis represent the projections. Okay, y-axis represent the projections. So here we will mark it down different point on the graph indicating various value of projections corresponding to different year. And next is we will join the point to get a graph. When we join a point, we got a graph. Okay, and so here another thing is, while joining the point, we can use three line. One is bold line. Okay, what I'm using is bold line, dotted one, and broken line. This either any of these three we can use it. So here another very important thing is when we draw a graph and time series graph, we need to give a heading. The best thing is please first put up the table which is given in the question, and after that you can present the graph. So as I already mentioned that on the o-axis it represents time and y-axis it represents production. So in this question it has given a year and then production is profit. So here when we look at the profit starting from 60 to 95,000 in rupees, all these are. So how we will do is we will plot the year from 2005 to 2010. Okay, in 2005, okay, here this is what about o-axis, and in y-axis by looking at the smallest is 60 and the biggest is 95. So to get this graph, I make a unit of this and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and up to 100. And in each unit 10 number falls here, 10 number falls here. So let us look in 2005. 2005, when I draw up like this, slides pencil, and it is 60, production profit is 60, so where the line meet I plot it. Okay, and in 2006 the profit is 72. Okay, so I draw a line up here and profit is 72. 72 will be falling somewhere here. Okay, so here I plot it here. And in 2007, okay, I make a slice line and the profit is 75. 75 will be falling somewhere here, so here I plot it here. And in 2008 I make a line again, it is 65. 65 will be falling here. Okay, and in 2009 I draw a slice line with the help of scale and pencil. 80, it will come on this. Okay, 80, so here they are meeting it, so we cross it. And in 2010 I draw up a line that fall on 95. 95 will be somewhere here. So here all this thin line that you draw, you need to erase it. So you join each point and you got a graph. Okay, so this is called time series graph, or which is also called one variable graph. Time series graph he kan siam don chuan kan shat tur chu ama sabera chuan a table question aron pe ka khaziak lang putila chuta graph kan present tur kha anwaya table nwaya ziak taila I afia ta big ta ni chu ati dan tur ne ma se ki chuan a question hi tu na hian karon ziak lowa du a chaber chu a question table kha zia phuta chuta graph kha present tur ani chuan poimo ma saber chumi do da chuan graph heading kha in zia ka nga annual profit of the farm tin ka ziak ta ni 1000 in rupees mo heng number zong zong hi 1000 in rupees ani ti kha chat ati chiang ta chuan o axis a hian mo times mo hun kha zia ani ta ni man te pon a local theta kha hun ko na ve kanita o y axis a hian production kami item aron pe ka ho kha o y axis a kan plot ta chuan kan shat tur chu hem kum ho kha ta hian ka plot ta a inkar in ang thei tur khan ka plot ta vek ta chuan o y axis ka plot dan a scaling ka siam dan chu hemi production a pe khi profit hi 60 tlem bera 95 atam berta khami base kan he enge ka graph hi amoi vak lawani achan chu hemi unit hi tuna antena 0 to 20 20 to 40 ti la na zok turania ma se 10 in kilo siam ta 10 unit in kilo siam ta unit tin hi a in kara som zelet latani chuan hemi ka graph po hi sang dewa umtani duangin na lang nal talauta chuan engtin nge kan plotang kan ti chuan sang ni panga khan profit chu somro kan itani tian 60 zone a hian kan rin penga sang ni panga kan rin chugang khami an in hmuna point ta khan kan cross don tani chutiang bukin sang ni peruka chuan 72 ni ta 72 anga khan kan rin penga chuan heta kan rin chuk tanga hemi an in hmuna ta kha chutiang bukin 2007 a khan 75 alo ni chuan ti khan hei du tu samjan niam deuta helai vel tur hi ni ta hian kan cross anga chuan chutiang bukin 2008 2009 2010 chuan a point a kan siam kha kan join ta scale pencil kal tlang khan chuan hi graph chu alo ni ta ni one variable graph a chuan item pakhat chau anita two or more variable graph a umleta chuta chuan thil chini enter nan page 136 question number 3 kha karon lata two or more than two variable graph a chuan khami danglam china item mo danglam china kha chini aron peta farm a le farm b aron peta kha o axis a khan kumanya amo time mo b ka kha akokta o y axis a kha chuan production heta hi chuan farm A le farm B apeta a khatia anga chini mo chithum po theita khatia anga ni kha chuan line kan man tura kha kan ti dang deuh dawn ni heta hi chuan broken line ka hmang ta heta zawk hi chuan ball line ka hmang tok zawk ta chuan heading a scale of two farm A and B tin ka ti ta a chuan farm scale of sale of farm A le sale of farm B kha hei pakhada chuan broken line pakhada chuan ball line ka hmanga tikhana ti chiang ta ni chuan dotted line po hmang thei tho ta ni thil chi thuma ron pe chuan dotted line pakhata mani la chu du chu sa mani chu hei hi two or more variable graph chu lo ni ta ni okay here we are going to look two or more than two variable graph okay so in this variable items two items are given okay in the question if you look it here is given sale of farm A in 1000 unit sale of farm B in 1000 unit it is given so what thing we need to know is on the O axis we place the year and OY axis production which means sale of farm A and sale of farm B we are plotting here so here we are placing it when we look at the smallest and the biggest of both the items both the variable in that way we can plot it so here smallest one is 4 and the highest is 27 so here the scaling that I make in each unit is 5 number folds here so similar to that in 2004 first I will be doing farm A okay in farm A in 2004 sale of farm A is 15 so 15 I draw a line like this and plot it here first and in 2005 sale of farm B is 17 so 15 and here 17 will be somewhere here okay so I cross it the midpoint and then in 2006 it is 20 okay 20 will be falling here okay so plot it here and in 2007 it is 19 will be coming here so same way the others also first we finish sale of farm A first and plot it in each year and so I'm using here broken line okay this represent sale of farm A and after completing it we need to do this scale of sale of farm B so farm B in 2004 it is 4 okay 4 in 1000 unit so I plot it here and in 2005 it is 9 okay 9 in 1000 units so like this so here same way we plot it after completing it with the help of scale and pencil we join the point and then we got the graph so these are so here after completing it we specify it broken line that represents sale of farm A and bold line represents sale of farm B.